Welcome to SaberCut.com. Today we're going to talk about straight shaft trimmers such as these right here. They have a left hand or counterclockwise rotation. So we'll be strictly talking about straight shaft today. Today we'll be discussing mounting either a UN72, a UN74, a UN 2012, a UN 2013, or this could actually work on any standard trimmer head by Universal or SaberCut. Two types of trimmers. This is a straight shaft trimmer. It has splines. It has a spacer. We've already discussed that. Today we're going to be talking about a standard extended and female threads. The first thing we want to do is remove the old trimmer head off of the trimmer. And we have to remove the entire trimmer head. And to do so, we're going to look on the side for a cutout, or they could be on the top in this position here. And we'll rotate it so we can look inside, and you're going to find, and there's going to be a channel inside. And we drop our line. It can either be a nail, it could be a pin, it could be a small screwdriver. And that's going to lock the gear case from rotating. And then we're going to just simply untighten and remove the old trimmer head completely. And it's going to either show an extended male thread, which we have here, or it's going to be a female, a hole with threads inside the trimmer. We're going to set this aside and going to check out the packaging and the trimmer head here. We're going to be using our 2013 L, which is a left-hand rotation trimmer head. In order to put this on, we want to make sure that the arbor bolts are correct. This one comes standard with a 10mm arbor bolt, which is most popular in all the trimmers. But there are lots of trimmers out there that have various sizes. And so in that case we give with each product a package of bolts. Inside the package, there are various sizes and male threads. We go through that and then we'll determine which one fits. We have done that already. It is this one here. But if we had a female thread, we would actually just take this and thread this in here, and we make a male arbor bolt out of it. So this would be for females, and we would do this if you want the other direction for an 8 that fits on the trimmers. We would use the one in the head, and we would simply do, by reversing it, we have the other sizes. So there are basically 3 male sizes that comes with the kit, along with 3 females here and 1 female in the head. The trimmer that we are selecting today, we're actually going to have to remove this bolt, and the one that fits it best is this one right here. This standard head is our trimmer heads. The 70 series and the 2000 have a never split system. In order to remove the line, simply retract the line until you hear it click, grab the loop, and remove the line. We will put that back in later. Take the 2 sides and just pop the head open. We're going to remove this arbor bolt and replace it with the other. So we face the housing down on a flat surface. We take any hard object and we just set it on the bolt, give it a tap, it comes out. We take our new bolt. The round portion faces in first, the hex portion faces the top of the housing. So we slide that in here. We take that, we take our pin, We take it right here. And it should be flush to the surface of the housing. This is the top portion. This will fit on the upper part of the gear casing. Now we reassemble by simply putting the spring back in. We get the spool in there. And we just pop it back together, making sure it's all secure. Now we want to put the line back into the trimmer, and all we have to do is take the arrows and line those up to the eyelet. And just like that, you've got the arrow lined up with the eyelet. We take the trimmer line. All we do is take the two ends, and we fold it in half. And we go right into the top holes here. And they exit the exterior eyelets. We just push it on in. Then you can take the two ends and just pull it right like that. And then the finger holes has a flat surface and a ramp out. We go to the flat surfaces and we just wind it back in. Alright, now we will mount this trimmer head back onto our unit. We take our unit, take our trimmer head, put our finger in there and get it started. Now we have to get our key, and we want to go back into the channel and then finish tightening that right up. And we are now ready for cutting.